ones. Additionally, mice and rats are reportedly 60 times less sensitive to phenylalanine than humans. Despite these findings, aspartame is still considered to be a safe sweetener overall, if people consume it at about 18 to 23 milligrams per pound, 40 to 50 milligrams per kilograms, of body weight per day or less. According to these guidelines, a 150-pound, 68-kilogram person should keep their aspartame intake under about 3,400 milligrams per day, at the maximum. For reference, a packet of sweetener contains about 35 milligrams of aspartame, and a regular 12-ounce, 340 milliliter, can of diet soda contains about 180 milligrams. Amounts may vary depending on brand. In addition, a number of papers have reported that aspartame has no adverse effects. However, if you'd prefer to avoid it, you could simply cut artificial sweeteners and excess sugar from your diet altogether.